Theorems about chords of circles. Chord distance to center theorem. In the same circle or in congruent circles, two chords are congruent if and only if they are equidistant from the center. And equidistant, remember, means equal distance. So notice how these little symbols here they look like they're just there to show that they're perpendicular, but they're actually there to symbolize that chords CD and AB are equidistant or equal distance from the center CG, or from the center E. I don't know why I said CG. So what we can conclude here is that AB is congruent to CD, so AB is congruent to CD if and only if EF is congruent to EG. So that would be EF is congruent to EG.